With Inversion's NPointDirect, you can review and edit video files with built-in functionality for trimming video and selecting multiple sequences of any length. All this information can be saved to the file's metadata and can be used with the Cloud Coder code to perform the new copy functionality, which takes the trim and segment points and creates new subclips, which can be named individually or in batches. You select the video file from this drop-down menu and then cue the video to load into NPointDirect for editing. There are a variety of video review options including play, pause, fast forward, rewind, and frame-by-frame stepping. You can also click in the timeline above the video to skip to a timestamp. To trim the clip, go to your desired start time and click Trim In. Then go to your desired end time and click Trim Out. You can also edit the trim in, trim out, and trim duration times by typing in these text boxes. This creates a trim of the video. Visible is a purple section along the timeline. To save this information in the video's metadata, click the Save button at the bottom. You create segments in the same way. Pick a start time and click Segment In, then pick an end time and click Segment Out. Again, you can edit the timestamps directly by typing in the text boxes. You can create multiple segments, and they will be added to the list to the left of the video. To save the segment points in the video's metadata, click the Save button at the bottom. Creating new clip files from the trim and segments is simple. For the trim, switch back to trim editing and click the New Copy button in the bottom right. This will bring up a window where you can commit this clip as a new file. Name the new file and save the trim by clicking the Trim button. This will queue the new clip information for Cloud Coder to create. It takes a few seconds for Cloud Coder to navigate to the start of the trim and begin processing the clip. Switching to the Cloud Coder window shows us that the software is navigating the clip and beginning to save the trimmed section as a new file. While that is processing, we can queue the segments as well. You can name the segments individually or use the Auto Name button to generate names for the clips, based on the original file name. To queue the segments for processing, click the Do Segments button, which adds the segment clips to the copy list queue. While those clips are being processed in the Cloud Coder module, we can load the trimmed clip into NPointDirect and see that the timeline and metadata has been updated to the trimmed version of the video. The video playback is not showing up here due to an issue with our recording software. The playback displays without issue for the user. Contact Inversion today for more information.